Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of emergency repairs. Have you ever wondered what exactly qualifies as an emergency repair? Whether you're a homeowner, tenant, or property manager, understanding this concept is crucial. Emergency repairs are those urgent fixes that simply can't wait. They're the kind of problems that, if left unresolved, could cause serious damage to property, threaten safety, or disrupt essential services. Throughout this video, we'll break down what makes a repair an emergency, provide real-life examples, and help you recognize when immediate action is needed. Let's get started by defining the basics. An emergency repair is any fix that must be addressed immediately to prevent harm or significant property damage. Unlike routine maintenance or cosmetic issues, emergencies demand urgent attention. Think of situations like a burst water pipe flooding your home, a broken heating system in the middle of winter, or an electrical fault that poses a fire risk. These are not just inconveniences, they're threats to safety, health, or the structural integrity of a building. Recognizing the difference between urgent and non-urgent repairs is key to responding appropriately and minimizing risks. Emergency repairs are critical because they protect people and property from immediate danger. If left unattended, these issues can escalate quickly, leading to more extensive damage, higher costs, and even personal injury. For example, a leaking gas line isn't just a nuisance, it's a life-threatening hazard. Addressing emergencies promptly can also prevent legal liabilities for property owners and ensure compliance with safety regulations. In short, knowing when to act fast can make all the difference in keeping everyone safe and secure. Emergency repairs come in many forms. Some of the most common include plumbing disasters like burst pipes or severe leaks, electrical failures that could cause fires, and heating or cooling breakdowns during extreme weather. Structural issues, such as a collapsed roof or broken windows after a storm, also qualify. Even blocked drains or sewage backups can be emergencies if they threaten health or hygiene. Understanding these categories helps you prioritize repairs and respond quickly when the unexpected happens. Plumbing emergencies are among the most urgent repairs. A burst pipe can flood your home within minutes, damaging floors, walls, and belongings. Major leaks, blocked toilets, or overflowing drains can also create unsanitary conditions and health risks. If you notice water gushing from a pipe or sewage backing up into your living space, it's time to call for emergency repair services. Acting quickly can prevent water damage from spreading and keep your home safe and habitable. Electrical emergencies are serious and can be life-threatening. Examples include exposed wires, sparking outlets, or power outages that affect essential systems like heating or medical equipment. Electrical faults can quickly escalate into fires or cause electric shocks. If you smell burning, see smoke, or experience repeated circuit breaker trips, don't hesitate, turn off the power if it's safe, and contact a professional immediately. Never attempt to fix major electrical problems yourself, as the risks are simply too high. When heating or cooling systems break down during extreme weather, it can quickly become an emergency. In winter, a failed furnace can lead to freezing pipes and dangerously cold indoor temperatures. In summer, a broken air conditioner can make living conditions unbearable, especially for vulnerable individuals. These situations require immediate attention to restore comfort and prevent further damage. Always treat heating and cooling failures as urgent if they threaten health or safety. Structural damage, such as a collapsed roof, broken windows, or compromised walls, is always an emergency. These issues can expose your home to the elements, allow intruders to enter, or even cause parts of the building to become unsafe. After severe storms, earthquakes, or accidents, inspect your property for visible damage. If you spot anything that threatens the stability or security of your home, arrange for emergency repairs right away to prevent further harm. Gas leaks are among the most dangerous emergencies. If you smell gas or hear a hissing sound near a gas appliance, evacuate the area immediately and call emergency services. Gas leaks can lead to explosions or poisoning, so never ignore the warning signs. Don't use electrical switches or open flames, as even a small spark can ignite the gas. Emergency repairs for gas leaks must be handled by licensed professionals to ensure everyone's safety. Sewage backups and blocked drains can quickly become emergencies, especially if wastewater starts flooding your home. These situations pose serious health risks due to bacteria and contamination. If you notice foul odors, slow drains, or water backing up, act fast. Emergency repair teams can clear blockages, disinfect affected areas, and restore proper drainage. Don't delay, as untreated sewage problems can lead to long-term property damage and health hazards. Sudden pest infestations, such as swarms of insects or rodents, can also be emergencies. These pests can damage property, contaminate food, and spread disease. If you discover a large infestation, especially in kitchens or living areas, it's important to act quickly. Emergency pest control services can help eliminate the problem and prevent it from getting worse. Remember, some pests can cause structural damage or trigger allergies, making immediate action essential. Security breaches, such as broken locks, doors, or windows, require immediate repair to protect your property and personal safety. If your home or business is left unsecured, it becomes vulnerable to theft or vandalism. Emergency locksmiths and repair services can quickly restore security, giving you peace of mind. Always treat compromised security as an emergency, especially if you suspect a break-in or attempted intrusion. After a fire, emergency repairs are essential to make the property safe and prevent further damage. This may include boarding up windows, securing the structure, and addressing water damage from firefighting efforts. Fire can weaken walls, ceilings, and floors, so a thorough inspection is necessary before anyone re-enters the building. Emergency repair teams are trained to handle these situations and can help you start the recovery process safely. Natural disasters like floods, hurricanes, or earthquakes often cause widespread damage that requires immediate attention. Emergency repairs may involve stabilizing structures, removing debris, and restoring essential services. Quick action is vital to prevent further harm and begin the recovery process. Always follow official guidance and prioritize safety when dealing with disaster-related emergencies. Not every repair is an emergency. Cosmetic issues, like chipped paint or squeaky doors, can usually wait. Routine maintenance, such as replacing air filters or fixing minor leaks, is important but not urgent. Understanding the difference helps you allocate resources wisely and avoid unnecessary stress. If a problem doesn't pose an immediate threat to safety, health, or property, it's likely not an emergency. Responsibility for emergency repairs often depends on your living situation. Homeowners are typically responsible for arranging and paying for repairs. Tenants should report emergencies to their landlord or property manager, who must act promptly to resolve the issue. In some cases, insurance may cover certain emergency repairs, so it's wise to review your policy and know your rights and obligations. If you experience an emergency repair situation, report it as soon as possible. Provide clear details about the problem, including when it started and any immediate risks. If you're a tenant, contact your landlord or property manager using their preferred method, phone, email, or online portal. For homeowners, reach out to qualified professionals or emergency services as needed. Quick and accurate reporting ensures a faster response and reduces potential damage. While waiting for emergency repairs, take steps to minimize damage and stay safe. Shut off water, gas, or electricity if it's safe to do so. Move valuables away from affected areas and keep children and pets clear of danger zones. Avoid using damaged systems or appliances and follow any instructions from emergency personnel. Your safety is the top priority until help arrives. Selecting the right professional for emergency repairs is crucial. Look for licensed, insured, and experienced contractors who specialize in the type of repair you need. Check reviews, ask for references, and confirm their credentials before allowing anyone to start work. In emergencies, speed matters, but don't sacrifice quality or safety for a quick fix. Many emergency repairs may be covered by your homeowner's or renter's insurance policy. Coverage often includes damage from fire, storms, or certain types of water leaks. However, not all emergencies are covered, so it's important to review your policy and understand any exclusions. Document the damage with photos and keep receipts for all repair work to support your claim. Landlords have a legal duty to address emergency repairs promptly. Failure to do so can result in fines, lawsuits, or even government intervention. Tenants have the right to a safe and habitable living environment, and emergency repairs are a key part of that responsibility. If you're a landlord, establish clear procedures for handling emergencies and communicate them to your tenants. Tenants have rights when it comes to emergency repairs. If a landlord fails to act, tenants may be able to arrange repairs themselves and deduct the cost from rent or seek help from local authorities. It's important to follow legal procedures and keep records of all communications and expenses. Knowing your rights empowers you to take action when emergencies arise. While emergencies can't always be avoided, regular maintenance can reduce the risk. Inspect your property regularly, fix small issues before they escalate, and service major systems like plumbing and electrical annually. Prevention saves money, reduces stress, and keeps your home safe. Make a habit of checking for leaks, testing smoke detectors, and clearing gutters to catch problems early. Having an emergency repair kit on hand can make a big difference. Stock up on essentials like flashlights, batteries, duct tape, basic tools, and first aid supplies. For plumbing emergencies, keep a plunger and pipe tape handy. For electrical issues, have spare fuses and a voltage tester. Being prepared allows you to respond quickly and safely to unexpected problems. An emergency plan helps everyone know what to do when disaster strikes, identify potential hazards, list emergency contacts, and outline steps for shutting off utilities. Practice evacuation routes and make sure everyone in your household understands the plan. Preparation can save lives and minimize damage during emergencies. Clear communication is vital during emergencies. Make sure everyone knows how to contact emergency services, landlords, or repair professionals. Keep important phone numbers in an accessible place and consider using group messaging apps for quick updates. Good communication ensures a coordinated response and helps everyone stay informed. Always document emergency repairs thoroughly. Take photos or videos of the damage before and after repairs, keep copies of invoices, and write down all communications with repair professionals or landlords. Proper documentation is essential for insurance claims and resolving disputes. It also helps track the history of repairs for future reference. Emergency repairs should be addressed as quickly as possible, often within hours. However, the exact timeline depends on the severity of the issue and the availability of professionals. Landlords and property managers should provide clear updates about expected repair times. For tenants, knowing what to expect helps manage stress and plan accordingly. Sometimes, only a temporary fix is possible until a permanent repair can be made. For example, boarding up a broken window or patching a leaking pipe may buy time until full repairs are completed. It's important to follow up and ensure that all temporary measures are replaced with lasting solutions to prevent recurring problems. Emergency repairs can be expensive due to the urgent nature of the work and the need for specialized professionals. Costs vary depending on the type of repair, materials needed, and time of day. Some contractors charge extra for after-hours or weekend calls. Planning ahead and maintaining your property can help reduce the likelihood and cost of emergencies. Unfortunately, emergencies can attract unscrupulous contractors looking to take advantage of vulnerable people. Always verify credentials, get written estimates, and avoid paying in full upfront. If something feels off, trust your instincts and seek recommendations from trusted sources. Protect yourself by staying informed and cautious, even in urgent situations. In multi-unit buildings or close communities, emergency repairs may affect your neighbors. Communicate with them about the situation, especially if utilities or access will be disrupted. Working together can help resolve issues faster and maintain good relationships. Consider setting up a neighborhood emergency contact list for future incidents. Commercial properties face unique challenges when it comes to emergency repairs. Business operations may be disrupted, and safety regulations are often stricter. Property managers should have clear emergency protocols and maintain relationships with reliable contractors. Quick action is essential to protect assets, employees, and customers. Effective communication between landlords and tenants is key during emergencies. Landlords should provide clear instructions for reporting emergencies and respond promptly to all requests. Tenants should report issues as soon as they arise and cooperate with repair professionals. Open communication builds trust and ensures a swift resolution. Once the immediate emergency is resolved, take time to review what happened and how it was handled. Assess any remaining damage, schedule follow-up repairs if needed, and update your emergency plan based on lessons learned. This reflection helps you prepare for future incidents and improve your response. Every emergency repair is an opportunity to learn. Keep notes on what worked well and what could be improved. Share your experiences with family, friends, or neighbors to help others prepare. Over time, you'll become more confident in handling emergencies and making smart decisions under pressure. Many communities offer resources for emergency repairs, such as hotlines, government programs, or nonprofit organizations. Research what's available in your area and keep contact information handy. These resources can provide financial assistance, professional referrals, or temporary housing if needed. Technology is making emergency repairs easier to manage. Many property managers use apps to track repairs, communicate with tenants, and schedule professionals. Smart home devices can detect leaks, smoke, or other hazards early, allowing for faster response. Embracing technology can streamline the repair process and improve safety. In some cases, emergency services like fire departments, police, or utility companies must be involved. They can secure dangerous areas, shut off utilities, or provide medical assistance. Always call 911 or your local emergency number if there's an immediate threat to life or property. Professional responders are trained to handle crises safely and efficiently. Some emergency repairs directly impact health, such as fixing broken heating in winter or addressing mold after a flood. Delays can lead to illness or worsen existing conditions. Always prioritize repairs that affect air quality, temperature, or sanitation to protect everyone's well-being. For people with disabilities or mobility challenges, emergency repairs can be even more urgent. Broken elevators, ramps, or accessible bathrooms must be fixed immediately to ensure safety and independence. Property managers should prioritize accessibility-related emergencies and have plans in place to assist affected residents. Environmental emergencies, such as chemical spills or hazardous material leaks, require specialized response. These situations can threaten health and the environment, so contact professionals trained in hazardous materials. Never attempt to clean up dangerous substances yourself. Emergency repair teams have the equipment and expertise needed. Don't forget about pets during emergency repairs. Loud noises, strangers, or disrupted routines can stress animals. Secure pets in a safe area away from the repair site and inform repair professionals about any animals on the property. Taking these steps ensures the safety and comfort of your furry family members. To sum up, emergency repairs are urgent fixes that protect people, property, and health. Recognizing what counts as an emergency, acting quickly, and knowing your rights and responsibilities are essential. Regular maintenance, clear communication, and preparation can help you handle emergencies with confidence. Stay safe, stay informed, and be ready for whatever comes your way. Thank you for joining us on this journey through emergency repairs. Remember, emergencies can happen to anyone, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can respond effectively. Keep this information handy, share it with others, and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Stay proactive, and your home or property will be safer and more resilient.